What's up, guys? Here is another week at the Home Theater Hobbyist, and this week we have an unboxing of the RSL Speedwoofer 10S. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so here it is. This is the RSL Speedwoofer 10S. This is a 10-inch subwoofer from the RSL speaker company. It features about 350 watts of continuous power, and it has received a lot of really good reviews from the home theater community, and a lot of you in the comment section also said you really enjoyed your Speedwoofer 10S or Speedwoofer 10. And so I got one. I'm thinking about going dual in my room. In theory, I should get another SuperSearch VTF-2 MK5, but before I go that route, I decided, hey, why don't I try another sub? And so I'm trying this one out, and we'll see how it goes. Now, looking at this box, everything looks pretty good. There's a little bit of a dent there, and that's probably due to shipping, but otherwise it looks really good. And when the FedEx guy dropped this off this morning, I really didn't have time to get into it because I had some other things I needed to do today. So I dropped this into my room, and when I came back to pick it up and put it on the table, I noticed this side of the box is what I saw first. And I don't know if it's coming out on the camera, but it says, caution, powerful bass. And then it's a house splitting in two. And I was like, man, that marketing team is really, really on point. Man, if this thing splits my house in two, that would be a super powerful sub and a super powerful 10-inch. But anyways, I digress. Let's get into this unboxing here. The knife isn't as sharp as I want it to be. Oh yeah, and always be careful with your knives whenever you're unboxing a subwoofer, or anything for that matter. And speaking of shipping while I'm doing this, RSL actually has a really, really good shipping policy. They ship in the continental US for free, and they have, apparently, according to their website, some good rates from an international rates. And so, first thing we have here, so you guys can see it, is a box within a box. So that should protect it pretty well, which is always a good sign. All right. So the first thing to come out here is this. Oh, and it says this is the wireless audio transmitter. So I ordered the wireless adapter, so it'll make it easier to place in my room without speaker cables. Uh-oh, didn't mean to rip that. That's not a good look. Wow, this thing is pretty small. Okay, and it comes with cables. One of those is probably a subwoofer cable is my guess, and a power cable. All right, so this is the wireless transmitter. It's really small. I wasn't really expecting it to be so tiny. So there it is there. It's the wireless transmitter. On this side, it's got audio in, and here's power. And then it's got this little 3M tape here, so I guess you could put some 3M tape on the back to hold it in place. And this is the adapter. Like I said, the power cable is a USB in here, there, and there. It comes in the box with the transmitter along with a couple of cables. And at the bottom of that box, we have, the pairing instructions. All right, so that's the wireless adapter. It's pretty exciting. We'll put that aside for a moment and continue here. Next thing we have is a warranty from RSL, something called the Peace of Mind warranty. Here are our terms. Sorry, our lawyer made us do this. Again, good marketing material. I really like that. Sorry to all you lawyers out there. And we have these very, very heavy sides to the box here. And some more packing foam. And I guess you guys really can't see what I'm doing. There's a lot of box in the way. So that's how it looks now. Some pretty high density, really good foam here. Packing foam is always good. You always like to see guys pack things really well, or see our companies pack things really well. All right, I'm gonna have to put this box on the floor so I can pull the subwoofer out. All right, guys. So here it is. Apparently that's the back of it. And so you know what I got here, the bottom of the box. So I've got a power cable, one of those desiccant packets, and just some more packing foam. So power cable. All right, let's pull this wrap off of this. See how it looks. Now this is a 10-inch subwoofer, so it's not extremely large. It's fairly dense. I think it's about 50 pound ship. So it's not super heavy, but I mean it's not super light either. And they've done a really good job packing this. I'm trying to be gentle with the packing material just because I really want this to hold up and look good. Voila! There it is. The RSL Speedwoofer. And they said this grill, yep, just pops off. And there's the subwoofer, guys. That's it. And this bottom is basically the port. So it's actually a pretty small port there, or it looks small, but it's actually pretty long. I don't know what the measurements are on that. But let's turn it around. The cabinet actually looks really, really good. It's a sort of a matte black finish. It's really nice. So you guys can get all the angles. And let's see what we got going on here in the rear. Okay, so we got a power light, wireless push to pair, volume, crossover frequency, phase, internal crossover or external crossover, LFE in, line out, speaker line level, power, auto on off, and the input voltage, and the power adapter. So that's everything on this side. And that's the right side. And let's see. This is the bottom. So it's flat on all sides. And these are rubber feet. So this is it. This is pretty exciting. I'm actually really excited about this. Really, really excited about this. So it's going to take a couple of weeks to complete the review on this particular subwoofer, so watch out for that and continue watching the channel in general. Please like, subscribe, comment, and also consider supporting us on Patreon. We'll talk to you next time.